When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.